I was raised with a bias about Hebrew, thinking of it as kind of this truly foreign tongue, bourgeois, clean-limbed in some way, that Yiddish was funky. Yiddish was Mad Magazine. I mean, Mad Magazine used a lot of Yiddish and that was, the Bible of my generation of kids trying to learn about culture. So, Yiddish remains that, and I guess all we're trying to do is remind Jews that we have more than one Jewish language, that this one is the folk language that still has creativity and currency and a profound literature, and that while it's historically necessary and grand that Jews now have a nationhood represented by Israel, embodied in Israel, there's still something about being a diasporist people. There's something about not being normalized like any other nation, being a counterculture and seeking to continue what has been centuries of Jewish difference, international people, literate people, humanistically inclined people, aspects of this. It's worth keeping that alive, that if Jews have a role to play in the world, a progressive role to play as leavening in this world, it's much more as the Jews of old, the Jews who speak Yiddish, the Jews who invented, Esperanto, the Jews who have made all of these creative contributions to the universal culture through science and art and socialism and so on, rather than the Jews who are now delivered safely to the homeland and have to exercise power. I'm not putting down power. I'm not obliterating what happened to Jews without power. We're just trying to keep alive the idea that power is not definitive of our gift.